Hello everyone, I am Li Jie from Shenzhen Capital Technological Limited. Today I will be introducing our company to you. Founded in 2009, we have more than 500 employees and a 10,000 square meter production and office area. Our monthly production capacity for FPC and rigid flat PCBs is over 10,000 square meters. We now own 3 factories with a 60 plus R&D team and a 50 plus sales and marketing, making us a strong and comprehensive high-tech enterprise in the industry. We have over 15 years of experience in the PCB industry, focusing on R&D, production and sales of FPC, rigid flat boards, multi-layer boards, HDI boards, gauges, ceramic, medical and other special PCBs, as well as SMT assembly. We are also expert in PCB prototype customization. Due to confidentiality agreements, we will only show 2 standard FPC and rigid flat boards today. We offer our philosophy, honesty with trust, quality shapes future. With professional technology and high-precision PCBs, we serve over 200,000 customers in more than 250 regions worldwide. Our products are widely used in medical devices, Internet of Things, drones, automotive, aerospace, industrial control, AI, electric vehicles, and other fields. We have obtained ISO 40001-2015, ISO 9001-2015, IATF 60949-2015 system certification, and our products meet UL and RoHS standards. In addition, we are a national high-tech enterprise and a contract honoring company. We also hold 16-unit lighting model and invention patent. You are warmly welcome to visit our factory and see our production, processes, and quality control in person. We look forward to sincere communication, win-win cooperation,